The United Nations presence in East Timor is getting larger with the arrival today of more personnel and equipment. A cargo plane carrying vehicles, communications equipment and more staff landed in Bukaw, 130 kilometres east of Dili. They'll help prepare for the independence vote in August. The ABC's Jeff Thompson reports.
It was a small but tightly secured welcome in Bukaw for this United Nations cargo jet, the first major landing of UN equipment on East Timorese soil. 9 more UN personnel also arrived on the jet, bringing the total in East Timor up to 24. To welcome the jet was an Australian, Ian Young, now the UN's Deputy Chief of Security in East Timor.
Well, it's basically the spearhead of many shipments that we expect to see over the coming weeks so that the mission can be fully established.
This is the first of 2 cargo jets to fly into East Timor from the big United Nations logistics base in Brindisi in southern Italy. After the second one touches down in about a week, most UN cargo planes will fly into East Timor from Darwin.
In the town of Bukaw, the bishop says that without intimidation, most of the population in this area would vote for independence.
Before, as the United Nations was not here, we were a little afraid, but now we are already sure that something can be changed.
This conflict has been going for a very long time. The solution is not going to happen overnight. But again, people have been very happy to see the United Nations on the ground in an attempt to try and solve some of these problems.
For the moment at least, the UN is still finding its feet in East Timor. Today's cargo included computers and a satellite communication system, headed for the UN headquarters being set up in Dili. Jeff Thompson, ABC News, Bukaw.